Over 40 Keto Solution Review, a blueprint. The Over 40 Keto Solution is a unique digital weight loss program designed for men and women over 40s. The Over 40 Keto Solution weight loss program was made for women and men of age over 40. This diet is carb cycling to ensure that your body receives what it needs for optimal hormone balance, which is very important for optimal health as you get older. In this diet plan, you will learn how to eat keto that is specific for your age and in a way that makes you feel good with no annoying effect. Studies show that if you on the diet that focuses on hormone optimization, you will lose 65% more weight than if you on the diet than cutting out calories and carbs. The program also includes several different graphs, tables, food lists, grocery shopping lists, meal plan samples, cheat sheets and checklists additionally to all the valuable information to ensure a simple and safe process. The Over 40 Keto Solution, you will get 1. 7-day Keto Carb Cycling Blueprint. 2. The Keto Plateau Buster Meal Plan. 3. Kitchen Prep and Restaurant Cheat Sheets. 4. Keto Solution Quick Start Checklist. 5. Belly Bloat Elimination Trick. Creators: The Over 40 Keto Solution. The Over 40 Keto Solution's creators are the fitness couple, Shaun and Karen Hadsall. Both are certified exercise technologists, and also 4-time best-selling nutrition authors, runner-up grand champions from Body for Life, and grandparents who definitely don't look or sound their age. They say, if you follow the regime in our program, this will help you stay young, regardless of how old you are. How does the Over 40 Keto Solution work? The Over 40 Keto Solution is a weight loss regime that's designed specifically for men and ladies over 40. It takes the standard keto diet and revises it into a healthy, sustainable regime that's good for your hormones and nutritional needs. You receive valuable information about your aging body and the way this program will work to make you look and feel young again, without the terrible side effect, keto flu, that younger people can easily endure. And once you've got all the knowledge needed to know the regime, you receive easy-to-follow action plans, which has grocery shopping lists, sample meals, meal plans, step-by-step guidelines and more. The program is comprehensive, covering every angle of your health. As you will learn from the program, hormones are vital for healthy weight loss and that they change as you age. This method provides you with the knowledge and step-by-step action plans needed to feed your body with what it needs to thrive and to lose weight. Pros: 1. No side effects. 2. Easy to understand and follow. 3. Step-by-step instructions. 4. Affordable and well worth the money. 5. And it comes with 60 days money back guarantee. 6. Created by real people that are experts. Cons: 1. Available only online. 2. It doesn't really work well for young people. The Over 40 Keto Solution Bonus Number 1, the Keto Plateau Buster Meal Plan Bonus Number 2, Quick Start Checklist Bonus Number 3, Kitchen Prep and Restaurant Cheat Sheets Bonus Number 4, Belly Bloat Elimination Tricks Bonus Number 5, Kickstart Results Accelerator Coaching Call. Conclusion: The Over 40 Keto Solution is a saving and easy way to go keto diet solution for men and women over 40s. Over 40 Keto Solution is the most comprehensive and detailed weight loss program I've ever seen. It combines accelerated ketone production with hormone-boosting carbs that you can use to live longer, protect your body from deadly diseases and eliminate dangerous belly fat. And, the most effective part is that the author offers an unmatched warranty, which is a 1-year warranty. If you don't see the rapid changes happening to your body, if you don't feel younger or experience a brand new increase in energy in the first few weeks, or if you're not satisfied for any reason, just email the customer support team and they will refund 100% of your purchase price. So, don't miss this ideal opportunity for you to get a healthy and toned body of your age. Click the link in description below this video to try complete Over 40 Keto Solution program.